Okay, so this is question 1 on the first paper. It's kind of just a logic problem, but the at least and at most things might confuse you. So what I did was I drew a little graph or a little diagram. So it says that we've got Lancaster to Morecambe. So if I've got Lancaster here and Morecambe over here, and it says it takes less than 30 minutes, so no more than 30 minutes, up to 30 minutes. The only way through is through Lancaster city centre. So if I put the city centre here, and it says to get from the campus to the city centre takes at least 10 minutes. So that is at least 10 minutes. It says your car travels constantly at 30 miles an hour. That's really important. So it does 30 miles in 60 minutes. So what we can do is work out how long this will, or what distance this is going to travel. So if we travel 30 miles in 60 minutes, in 10 minutes, we've done at least, well, it's a sixth of it, we divide by 6, so 5 miles. So the city centre is at least 5 miles away. It also says that, so if we go back to the beginning, we do it in less than 20 minutes. So this is less than 30 minutes. So this section must take less than 30 minutes. Less than 20 minutes. And 20 minutes, if 10 minutes is 5 miles, that's less than, if that's for 20 minutes, it's going to be less than 10 miles. So the answer therefore must be either A, because we've got less than 10 miles, so at most 10 miles, or E, none of the above. So we can definitely count out B, C and D. So it's either at most 10 miles and at least no miles, or at most 10 miles but more than, say, 5 miles. And you might think it's more than 5 miles because of this, but if this says it takes at least 10 minutes, it could take like 29 minutes, and then we've got 1 minute left to get from the city centre to Morecambe, which would not be very many miles if you think about it, if we're going 30 miles in 60 minutes. So it is in fact A, because this could take up to that 30 minutes. We just know the minimum amount it's going to take. We don't know the maximum amount it's going to take. If that had said it takes at least 10 minutes but less than 15, then we could look at this taking less than 15 and working out kind of the minimum number. But the only thing we know is this takes at least 10. It could take all the way up to 30. So this could be left. If that was 30 minutes, this would be no minutes left and therefore no miles, which is why it's A. So the answer to this one's A.